How to find Google Nano Banana in your mobile phone. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that you need to download Gemini app that was by Google. So here in Play Store you will search for Gemini. After that click on that third one, Google Gemini. I already installed it, you guys will install that. Once you install it, click on open. After that you need to sign in, or sometime it was automatically. So here you guys will see on top 2.5 Pro. So here you guys can select first all round help, reasoning match code, also upgrade to Google AI Pro. I will choose first all around help. Now here you guys can ask anything, and if you click on image with banana icon, here you can write your image idea, or also you can add any image that you want to edit, and it is Google Nano Banana. Thanks for watching.